Hi.
Okay.
Hi guys, it's me, Carrie. It is Tuesday, December 6th. This is one of my clients. Today is her 1-year anniversary visit. She came in. Go ahead, show them the pictures.
This is how I started. Look how big is was my belly last time, and this is today. Yes, that's the side view.
Yeah. Let's show them the other view.
Okay. But that's the front view.
And this was her front view. See, the date is 12/27 last year. This is today. She followed all the diet tips. Show me your visit to this. She went on vacation last year. And
look how I look like in July. Isn't that awesome? Oh my God, Carrie, I love you.
Thank you. How has this changed your life?
It did, because look how I started. Oh my God, I can't believe that. I feel like I'm drinking beer. I don't even drink. And I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe it.
She didn't know how to do it? Go ahead.
And then I started my diet, and I stick to it. I'm very determined, focused, motivated, and that's what kept me going. It's 1 year now. I started from 128 to 130. I'm 107 is my lowest. And I keep it up for the whole year. In my body, 1 or 2 pounds, which is not a problem, the next day or two, I will get rid of it again.
And she started hula hooping when she when she was like this. Her exercise was hula hooping, and she'd make videos on Facebook.
Yes, and then I added the Zumba and aerobics. And then when my belly starts to go down, I started toning it at the gym.
And following the diet still.
And following still the diet. I started with, I think, 200, 300 grams. I don't even know what I was eating like that. Now I'm only in 50 and 60 grams a day.
Of carbs.
Of carbs and 15 grams of sugar.
And it's a lifestyle.
Yes, and I keep it up like that.
And it's easy, right?
Yeah, very easy.
No special food. She's a food hunter. She goes in, she'll text me stuff. She knows this diet inside and out. And now you can do this forever.
Yeah, I read the nutrition facts. Always follow the serving size. It doesn't mean it says 7 pieces. You'll eat whole day 7 pieces. No, it says 7 pieces that day. That's it. No more.
She looks awesome. She's rocking it. Every time she goes on vacation, she calls me, hey, Carrie, I need a toner. Hey, Carrie, can you slim me?
First time I had it at 2-piece, and it was amazing.
How many years since you wore a 2-piece?
I don't remember I wore 2-piece in my life.
How's your confidence?
Oh, very confident.
How's your love life?
Oh, very beautiful. Awesome.
That's awesome. All right, guys. I hope you stay motivated. Kick off your day. Start right every day. If you screw up, just get back on it the next day. Right, Rhoda?
Yes.
Oops, I'm sorry. All right, guys. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.